What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got another day trading recap for you. Trading stock FRSX, and man, this really tested my patience. All right, guys. So one trade today, really, I feel exhausted. How long this trade took to develop. Let me see. You see my chart right here. I was in this somewhere around here, and man, it took forever to get this candle, and we were getting stuck at 275, so I sold out there because I thought we were going to get a hard reject. I was wrong. It pushed all the way up to 294. A little upset about it, as you can tell by that silence. And then we got the rejection candle. But even then, look, it's still kind of holding up now, like holding a 9 EMA. This thing's just been a nightmare to trade for shorts and longs. Like, everyone's getting chopped up in this thing. Did catch a good trade on it at least. And that was my one and only trade. And I do have it recorded live here for you. But before I show you that, do me one quick favor. Smash that like button right now. Right now, just smash it. And if you haven't, click the subscribe button for me. Help me continue to grow this channel. I'm working extremely hard to get this channel to grow. I'm putting out content. I'm putting out information. I'm putting up these day trading recaps, which, believe it or not, it does take a lot of time, more than I ever thought it would, but it is a lot of fun. And I do enjoy talking with you guys in the comment section. And even when you send me messages on Twitter and Instagram, that's super cool. And I love talking to you guys about stocks there. So if you haven't, check out the description section. You'll see all the links to my social media there. All right. As well as other links like the scanners I use and other tools and stuff like that. You can use those links down there in the description below. The Trade Idea scanners do have 15% off. And if you don't know what those are, it is these scanners right here. You can use my code and link and you'll get 15% off the scanners. And you'll know stocks like FRSX making moves. You'll see them right here. All right, so let's jump into this trade. It took a long time. This is about a 20-minute trade. It really tested my patience. Probably the longest trade I've had in a long time. You can see I'm in 1,000 shares. Cost base is 244. Okay, and my plan here is to take some off right in front of the high of day, which at the time was 284. I was looking to put a limit order to sell a little piece at 288. I'm sorry, at 280, and then just wait and see if we can get a $3 breakout. I probably would have sold some more over over 290, but I definitely wanted to hold on to at least 500 shares for a $3 breakout. We weren't getting it. As you can see, I'm in already here, 1,000 shares, 244, and I'm looking for that break through 275. I'm going to fast forward because this went on forever. I thought we were going to get it here, but we don't get it there. You see that rejection? Did you see that? Did you catch that? Look at this. Look at that candle again. Look at that candle again. I'm up like 137 bucks right there, but I'm looking for that push. And look at that. What we get is another, volume was increasing, but what we get is another rejection candle. Check it out. Look at that. That's ridiculous. It's insane how choppy this stock was. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward because it is a very long trade. And we're going through all this, holding VWAP, holding the 9 EMA, looking for this volume to start increasing, looking for that 275 break. You know, once we break that 275, I expect $3. So that's why I wanted to take some off right in front of the high of day, which was 284. And then hold on to another piece. Well, hold on to the bulk, which was about 75% of my position, looking for the 290s to sell another 250 shares, and then hold on to 500 shares for the $3 break, looking to sell 305, 310, maybe 315, but we don't get it. Watch. Looks like we're gonna go, but we're not going. Looks like we're gonna go, but we don't go. It's crazy, man. Look at this. Oh, we're about to break underneath VWAP again. Nope. But psych, we're holding it, and there we go. That's when we finally start to get it. We get this push there, and I cancel my stop, and I'm thinking, okay, we're going to go ahead and break 275 instantly, because all these guys are shorted here, shorted here, shorted here, 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 should be covering. But then again, the stock, I mean, the float isn't that bad. It's 18 million in float. So it should have gone. It really should have gone right there and then. But see, we're getting stuck at 275. 275 we get stuck at each and every time we test it. So these are 3-minute candles. So I start to get a little skittish there. And I don't want this trade to go, to get a nasty flush. So I make, I think, the error of selling too much. I should have just sold half here, but I sold my full position. I sell it on the next thing as we test it and we start rejecting it again. Now we're up $250. But I mean, this had the potential to be a nice $600 winner probably. We're not getting it. We're getting this rejection tonnage of selling there. So I just get out of the position there, make a couple $100 and call it a day. And then watch. It always happens. It always happens this way. Now we start to get the little push. We're chipping away. Chipping away. And then boom. All the way to 290. Then we make a new high here of 294. And watch this rejection candle. Look at this. And I thought this candle that we get here, I thought we were going to get it here since we couldn't break that 275. I thought we were going to get that. It's Friday. It hasn't been the strongest market to the long side for long bias traders like myself. So I thought this candle that we're about to see here, look at that. That nasty flush down candle, I thought we were going to get that here at 275. And once we broke under VWAP, it was going to get nasty. But it didn't happen that way. At least I came out on top on that trade. And right now you can see the stock is still holding above the 90 EMA and VWAP. Maybe it'll turn around and make another attempt at the high of day. Maybe it won't. I'm done. So I'm not touching anything. I can't wait for next week we have 4th of July on Thursday, so it's a half day for the market. I think we close at 1 p.m. So it could be a slowish day, probably after Tuesday. We might have a good Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday will be a little iffy, kind of like a Friday, and then Thursday normally it's dead, and then Friday is crap because people just make a 2-day weekend out of the holiday. So hope you're taking advantage of these moves when they do happen. They're really testing our patience. I can't wait for the market to heat up again for us and we can get some easier trades on here because it's really, really choppy. Really, really choppy. It's not a safe environment. Make sure you're trading size that you're comfortable with because it is pretty choppy, guys. It really is. Not too excited about the day. I know I had a nice green day, but I didn't trade to my full potential. I wasn't patient enough to take profit over 275. So I'm a little mad at myself about that. Because even if I would have sold some here at 280 and then some more here at 290 something, it would have been a better trade. Even if I would have stopped out of the rest on this candle here, which I would have, because my new mental stop would have been 275 in that case. So I would have stopped out 270. So I still could have made a lot more money on this trade. But hey, this is how we get better, right? Let me know how you did. Did you trade a piece of this FRSX? We did have a few, stocks make some jumps. We had CDMO. I'll show you that one here real quick. Let me bring that chart here. It doesn't look too bad at all. It looks pretty good. But I didn't like the float on it. Its float is 55 million. That's way above what I like to trade. I like to trade 20 million and under, preferably 10 million and under. But hey, coming out with a green trade here to end the week. How did you do? How did your week go? How did your month go? June is over. Golly, the summer's flying. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Also, check out yesterday's video. I think you'll like it. It's a little funny, a little comedic relief. But still talking about serious subjects at the same time. Let me know what you think about that video. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.